On last week's show, we joined you from North Platte, Nebraska for Nebraska-Land Days. While out in the area, our crew had the chance to stop by the 2023 TAPS Summer Field Day. Many of the TAPS, or Testing Ag Performance Solutions program participants, were on hand for a day to take in some live demos and hands-on learning opportunities. The day kicked off with educators, participants, sponsors, and TAPS partners meeting at the West Central Research, Extension, and Education Center in North Platte. The event featured educational competitions such as agronomic Olympics and guest speakers. While planning for the summer competition, it was a great opportunity for participants to come together and engage in some peer-to-peer learning opportunities.
It's kind of our June event. It's an opportunity to have our participants and other producers come in, kind of have some fun. We played Jeopardy earlier today, set some siphon tubes, had a few more challenges, maybe help them learn a little bit, but it's more about enjoyment, getting to know each other, kind of building those bonds so we can develop a peer-to-peer learning. So farmers learn from farmers, or the industry, or the NRCS or NRDs, people are here as well. So kind of building those relationships so that we can have learning from each other.
This competition is an opportunity for people who are actively involved in a farming operation to give them a chance to try out some new practices and technology before making the investment for their own operation.
Just being able to try different things and experiment on where there's not a lot of risk, where you don't have to risk it on your own farm, having that opportunity to do that. It's more of a ground truth thing, I guess, for me more than anything. Just, okay, I do it on my farm full scale. How does it react in this environment? And different soil types, actually different row width also. So a different growing environment that I can experience.
Even for those not running a farm, they're welcome to join in on the competition. NTV News' farm director Steve White tells us that joining this competition has given him a new appreciation for the decisions that ag producers need to go through on a daily basis.
I'm out there telling farmer stories all the time, getting out and talking about what they're doing, but this is a chance for me to kind of live in their shoes, take some of the risk out of it. I don't have any money on the line. It doesn't matter if I screw up, but I can learn, and so I can kind of understand my audience a little bit better by making some of those management decisions along the way.
If you'd like to learn more about the TAPS competition, you're encouraged to visit their website at taps.unl.edu. You can also go to that website to stay up to date on their various events throughout the year.